Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today we're going to briefly talk about Ask Gemini. This is a new menu item that you can find inside Google Sheets for Google Workspace users. Basically, rather than navigating up to Ask Gemini up here, what we can do is close this and then click on Ask Gemini, and we can quickly engage in these AI-based actions. For example, quickly analyze data, generate charts, generate a pivot table, generate a table, an image, generate a formula, and these other options down here. For example, let's navigate up to Analyze Data, and Gemini will go ahead and analyze the data based on the data set down here. If we navigate up here, we can see monthly expense trends. We can see an overall analysis of our expenses. We have these graphs and detailed key insights. For example, top 3 expense categories are, and then we have these 3 different categories. And then we have these other prompt suggestions. Okay, let's navigate back over to Ask Gemini, and let's go ahead and generate charts. Essentially, the AI is getting better inside Google Sheets in terms of analyzing your data set across your different sheets. I like the addition of this Ask Gemini button inside this menu. Okay, let's navigate down, and you can see the data, the graphs that have been generated. Now, if you want to learn more about leveraging Gemini inside Google Sheets, as well as across all your other Google apps, I will add a relevant tutorial down below in the description for you to check out. However, today I just wanted to quickly mention Ask Gemini, this new button that you can find inside your Google Sheets menu. Take advantage of this to quickly analyze your data, as well as for leveraging these other template prompts. However, that is it for this video. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.